Welcome to the Ameris Illuminates plant site in Dunkirk. My name is Lisa, and I will be your guide for this safety induction.
Our plant operates 24/7 to produce performance binders used mainly in the construction and refractory industry. Our binders feature rapid curing and drying and excellent resistance to heat. Our flagship products are Ciment Fondu and the Securite and Ternal product range. The Dunkirk Ameris Illuminates site is divided into 6 large process areas. The storage area for clinkers and raw materials, mainly limestone, bauxite and briquettes coming from our Donegal workshop. The raw materials screening and weighing area to obtain the right product formulation. The furnace area where the raw material is heated at over 1500 degrees Celsius to obtain the clinker. The mills area where the clinker is grinded into cement. The cement packaging and shipping area. The area where bauxite fines are recycled into briquettes at the Donegal briquetting facility. The other areas are auxiliary zones including the fuel facilities, water and fume treatment units, store, laboratory, and administrative area. All our installations are automated, and our production teams ensure the efficient and safe operation of the equipment from control rooms.
In terms of health and safety organization, the group's safety objectives are clear. 0 accidents on the Ameris sites the world over.
The plant security post at the entrance of the site, and to know how many people are on site at all times. You can enter and exit the site only if you are the bearer of a strictly personal badge issued by the security post. At each entry and exit of the site, all people accompanying the driver of the vehicle must present their badge at the pedestrian access gate. Temporary access badges must be returned to the security post when leaving the site. It is forbidden to bring on site or consume substances that may alter behavior, such as alcoholic beverages or drugs. It is also forbidden to smoke on site except in the smoking areas. There's a lot of people and machine traffic on site. Whether you're a pedestrian or driving a vehicle, respect the traffic rules. Give priority to larger size vehicles and machines, and park your vehicle in the dedicated parking areas in reverse parking. No obstructive parking, and do not park inside buildings without proper authorization from Ameris. Do not access the raw materials area without authorization, and never circulate in front of the outside clinker compartments. When walking around on site, follow the pedestrian ways and hold the handrails when using stairways. If your phone rings, go to a safe zone before answering the call. Always be cautious because the ground may be bumpy or slippery, and do not rush.
Never circulate alone outside the administrative area. You must always be accompanied by a member of the site staff for the visit of the industrial installations. Wear your personal protective equipment. The obligatory PPEs include full protective clothing, safety shoes, a safety helmet, and safety goggles. Also, have on hand protective gloves, hearing protection, and a P3 type dust protective mask. A high visibility vest is required in the logistics zones. Other specific PPEs may be required according to the visited area.
Due to the presence of equipment with moving parts, some areas present mechanical risks. Be careful. The installations are automated and can start at any time. Keep away from moving elements. Locate the safety systems available nearby, notably the emergency shutdown devices. Be careful with the risk of burns. Never touch clinker or an equipment or piping without wearing appropriate protection gloves. Circulation near the furnace discharge spout is prohibited. Only authorized people with illuminized suits can access this zone. Be careful with the risk of falling objects. If you are witness of an accident, call the internal emergency number at 1103 from an internal phone or 0328 58 0003 from an outside phone. In case of a major accident, whether on the site premises or on a nearby Seveso industrial site, a general alarm may be sounded with an evacuation or confinement order. In this event, listen to the alert message and calmly head for the indicated gathering or confinement points. In the industrial zone outside the plant site, you will see signs and traffic lights. If one of those lights turns to red, stop the engine of your vehicle and avoid all sources of ignition.
You now know more on our activity, the risks present on our site, and the main rules to follow to ensure a visit to our facility in full safety. You have an important role to play. Thanks to the good preparation of your visit and to your behavior, the risks can be controlled. All accidents can be avoided. Nothing should take priority over health and safety. Safety is everybody's responsibility. Thank you for your attention, and again, welcome to the Dunkirk Ameris Illuminates plant site.